Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little.
When me go school, me no go fi waste time. Yeah. Me go to school fi use my great mind. Nobody can call me no dunce, but nobody can call me no dunce. Uniform need the shoes me wear shine, and you can't say you see me with weed break time. Nobody can call me no dunce, but nobody can call me no dunce, but little bit of
Trust me, that's how you shot. Very good, very conscious, and lyrics them well put together. It's sad to see songs like this not gonna make it on the chart because people not listen to these songs.
But let me tell you something. You see, a country, music and art, the art form of any country reflect the culture of the country. If you notice China, check out China and the art form of their China, and check out the culture of China. Yeah, check out India and the art form of India, and check out the culture of India. Check out America and the art form of America, even though America a little bit more diverse. You know what I'm saying? Check any country, bro. Check Dubai and the art form of Dubai, and you will see what the culture of Dubai is. Relate it back to the culture. You understand? Bro, Jamaica is an acidic fucking country. It's a country which is built upon crime and violence. And people don't want to hear when we talk like this. You see me? But it's the fucking truth. The things that is being supported is because it's been supported because it's a part of our culture. To chop off a man's head, to murder a man, to kill picking, burn down house with baby mother, everybody, a granny, everybody in it is Jamaica culture, brother. Tell me fuck about no Bob Marley music. You see me? The music that is being preserved today, the music where everybody a jump up today is kill people, brother. Watch your head back and murder people and murder little picking. It's Jamaica culture, bro. You see me? And that's why songs like those, the positive songs, will never reach anywhere. Protege have a song named Quiet Thoughts. I've been watching that song for years. The song is so deep, brother. I'm gonna see nobody. I'm gonna see that the numbers on that song rising. Okay? But me see numbers on song about chop the line and murder people and rob people. Me see skeng, alright, brother. Skeng, brother. And skeng evil, you fucking name song them. Me see cartel and maintain momentum. I don't know in positive song they make him a maintain momentum. At the worst, it's culture, bro. So every time you step out of your house, dog, I have a little faith. So Jamaica is a positive and safe place. The song them just song and have no influence, bro. Yo, just take that back and strap up yourself. Catch a little knife somewhere in your pocket, but there's something, bro. You need something for you, because at any time something can flip off, bro. You're dead. Because that is Jamaica. That is the truth. Yes, bro. Take up in, bro. You talk about the parents, my youth. Why if you understand, so the parents, they say, look, pick me away for heartless, dog. They look 14 and 15-year-old, with a bus gun and a cut off man head and something, dash away and something, bro. Yo, are some mothers are go them, bro. Some blood clot mothers. Yo, them little youth are reflect exactly what most black women in Jamaica want from a man, brother. The badness and the murderous lifestyle and thought process. You understand? That is what Jamaica is, bro. You understand? So, bro, let me give you a little experience. I pass, I come for a gym one day. I'm a pass to a catty, and the catty did it. Well, that time I run in a political thing. And the catty have a little baby there. You know, you run politics and things. You say a little baby. Hey, you make much of a little baby and thing. You understand? Because you have to be likable. You know what I mean? Alright. The boyfriend have the baby in her hand, and the girl may make much of the baby. So the baby now smile. You see me? So the cat say, oh, smile. You see me? The little baby did not smile. You say, watch him, watch a little bitch. That's what she have gone. She said, watch a little bitch. And then she starts slap her hand. You know, like you that say, baby, hey baby, and I slap your hand. You gotta say, bitch. And I clap after the baby face, bitch. And at that time make a baby smile, brother. I regular them do it. You see me? You can imagine your son grow up and there with that the man the daughter. And that the girl the daughter. Because the little baby pretty, you know, bro. I could not believe, brother. You see me? I'm gonna say to them, say, yo, oh, you have to do that. You cannot say that to the baby, but yo, you can't say that. Bro, a culture, bro. If anybody asks about Jamaican culture, I'm talk about no fucking wood and water and tropical island and shit. A murder, brother. You see me? And acidity. You see it? And that is the truth, bro. It's a fucking truth, you see me? And the fact of the matter is, more you know, say, nobody know how to give no fucking accountability to women, bro. A woman, bro. I make this happen, brother. I'm telling you, fam. You see me? Yo, the culture right now, these little boys are reflecting exactly what these single parent mothers actually want in a man, which is absolute acidity. That's why the whole of them are run down gunman. They want a gunman. She want a gunman. Gunman in she whole. And them song they hit the charts. If people never did a listen them, brother, well, fuck you, that hit the charts. If majority of the people in Jamaica weren't listening these songs, and I'm mostly women are listening to these songs, dog. Yeah? And yeah, you wanna say, you see, you probably wanna say, yo, you don't have no, you know, man accountability. Understand, say the nature of man is to be appealing to a woman, brother. Man, I go do things where I go attract women. You see me? So whatever women want, the majority of men are gonna do it. Probably a simple person that will ask me, so why you not do it? Of course, we're speaking to the fucking masses, you stupid fuck. You see me? Whoever I think that, you understand? With speaking to the masses, they're going to be outliers. They're going to be people who understand themselves and know themselves and actually live within a moral code. You understand what I say? But the only way these acidic songs can actually remain prevalent in Jamaica and rise to the highest charts, and the positive song them not going to wait, are because the majority of who are listening to these songs, which is a large group in Jamaica, a large group of males and females, yeah, it's because they demand these songs. And that are the facts, bro. Yeah, you see these little girls, bro, these little girls are reflecting exactly what a lot of these single mothers actually want to be, bro, which are sluts and whores and skin out. You hear me now, man? You know what? I'm gonna copy them voice note and put them on YouTube. No joke, because a true brother, nobody don't want to talk the truth, brother. They don't want to talk the truth, especially when it come down to talking about women. They don't want to talk the truth. You see me? Because women live with impunity, brother. No true accountability, bro. A woman are just saying like, oh, a woman. No. Especially in a time where equality is rampant in everybody's mind, in most of these women's mind, you need to take accountability. The same consequence that a man should get in terms of relative to his conduct, it's the same consequence a woman should get relative to her conduct. You understand? And then we'll start having a true, equal, and fair and peaceful society. Yeah? And then we pick them can grow good. Easy, no, man. Remember, say we live in our country, you know, bro, and this speak to the education of the people. Yeah, we live in, and it shows us how much our education system is failing and has failed for so many years. We live in a country where if somebody sings something was sensible, then you know get no forward. You need to sing shit like leg of the bird, leg of the bird, leg of the black bird, catch a anchor, then an eagle. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is like a bunch of fucking loggerhead, bro. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, not disrespect nobody. I not fire out no artist. You understand what I'm saying? But more you know, say, yo, these songs are rising to the charts because of one, the illiteracy that is thick within Jamaica. Okay? And two, the acidity, yeah, of Jamaicans. You understand? The fact that our culture has now become basically built or has found a foundation in crime on crime and violence. You understand what I say? And that is the truth, bro. There's no way to go around it, and they need to start having these discussions, brother, because these are the truth. But guess what them do to truth? Them censor your blood clot. Because guess what? You're not supposed to talk no truth to wake up nobody. These government officials, they survive off the acidity. When a man run up in our house and murder one old woman where did a collect her pension, where you think her blood clot pension go? Right back to the PSOJ. Yeah? Or kill an old man we're about to retire. Where you think all of that go? And a man will have much money in the bank. Yeah? We're having big business, they run up and murder the big businessman. Especially if he never know youth, no pick me and sing or pick me them big on about them business, and he never really put nothing. You know how much money get lost in the bank system per frigging year, bro, because man dead left it. Who you think I get that, brother? Eh? That a circulate right back in a feed them hand, a feed them pocket, a government that, brother. Cool, man. You see me? So they survive off of crime and violence. So these our JLP and PNP, our government overall, not gonna make no effort to change shit, dog. You see me? Because them benefit from it. Them benefit from the illiteracy. You think they not benefit from the brain drain? Blood clot, that's a whole nother conversation, and that may make you know. Alright.
Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world. Millions of despairing men, women, and little children. Victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed, the bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. the hate of men will pass, and dictators die, and the power they took from the people will return to the people, and so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Soldiers, don't give yourselves to brutes, men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, treat you like cattle, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men, machine men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world, a decent world, that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people.